Hi everyone and welcome back to Art with Miss Choate. Today our book and art pairing is all about dogs. That's why Miss Pepper was in the video today. And what we're going to be doing is after you listen to the story about Zorro, the dog, and his schedule, we're going to be making a fingerprint dog. Now you can choose whatever color fingerprint dog you want. I'm going to be doing a gray, black, brown mix like my dog Pepper. You can do white. If you're doing a white dog, I would do it on a black piece of paper or a brown piece of paper, purple, any color. Just a darker color so your white paint shows. So let's go get started. So we're going to actually do two types of dogs. We're going to do one type of dog where we only use two fingerprints. So we're going to do, like I said, I'm going to be doing like a black, brown kind of combo here. I'm thinking about Pepper. And I'm going to do my first one where I'm using the length of my finger, putting it there. And now I'm going to do a longer finger. Either you could pick a different finger or just make sure you cover more, because I want this is going to be the body and I want it to be longer. And you could change up your colors slightly if you're, your dog has a different color head than body. Make sure you don't have too much paint on your finger, because I like the texture coming through. And now I'm going to put it right there. So that's the body. And I could go over the head one more time if you want to, or leave it alone. I do want it to kind of be connected, so I'm just dabbing it slightly. So that's going to be the start of one dog. I'm going to do one more dog here, and then we're going to add our details to really show it off. So again, going into my paint colors. And if you have an ink pad for this one, an ink pad would be great. I'm going to do this head as a dot, like that. And now the body, same kind of body again. I don't like how light that is, so I'm going to do it a little bit more. And if I want to make it longer, I could do just two like that. There we go. So now I'm ready to add the details to really make these look like a dog. So we're going to be taking a black pen or any color that would work for your dog of choice. So we're going to take this marker, and the first thing we're going to do is our first ear. We're going to put it right here. That's going to be an oval, and we're going to color it in. We're looking at a side profile of this dog. We're going to put a little nose there, half oval eyes, little dots, and a tongue sticking out, because maybe he's been outside and he's had a great time. He's all hot. And now we're going to do our legs. So we're going to have two lines coming down from the front. This is going to be our hind legs. They're going to be a little bit harder. It's going to be like a hill. So it goes down, then up, and then hooks back like a paw. Now we'll do the other one. Goes down, then up, back down, hooks. And we're going to do our tail. And I'm going to color that tail in. And you can feel free to color in the legs as well. So that's a simple little way to do our first dog. Our second dog, we're going to do the legs the same way, or very similar. Two in the front, and then our side, down, then up, down, curve. This one, he's looking at us, so his nose is right here, his tongue sticking out, his ears are on the side of his head. And we're just going to do little dots for his eyes. I don't like how his eyes turned out. And his tail is coming right here. So that's a very simple little way to use a thumbprint as a dog. And let me show you the way that's a little bit bigger and a little bit messier. So if you want to do a white dog, I recommend doing either a purple paper, black paper, gray paper. And we're just going to start going kind of crazy with our fingerprints. And we're going to start by doing a circle. And we're also going to think about the ears. So we have a circle, and we'll fill it in more. I just want to show the shapes. So circle, oval, and then our body, which is going to be a little rectangle of sorts. And if you want to put certain colors in certain areas, like they have spots, and we'll be drawing a collar on here once we're done with our fingerprints, and you can really have fun with the colors, with mixing the colors, even just right there on your finger. And once you feel like you have enough fingerprints, now we're going to go in and add our detail. So we're not adding a lot of detail like we did to this one. We're going to go in and put some eyes. We're going to put in a nose. Little line down to the lip. And then we're going to do a collar. And you can put a name on your collar. You can put decorations on your collar. You can also do this with different colors. I'm just using my black marker, but you can do whatever color you want. And a little tag. I'm just going to color it in. And there's our second little dog, or third technically, but our second type. So I hope you had fun drawing your fingerprint dog. Hopefully you didn't get too much paint on your actual dog if you have a dog. She always likes to get into the paint. It gets on her paws and all over the floor. So hopefully you had a great time doing your fingerprint puppy. And I look forward to seeing you guys on Tuesday. Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you want to see next. And make sure if you like this video, hit that like button to let us know. Comment and let us know to see what you'd like to see in the future. And let me know if you want to see more of Miss Pepper, right? Do you want to be in more videos? I think she wants to be in more videos. All right, bye.